Welcome, friend. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Where's the next video button? But seriously, it might help you lose less of your hard-earned money if you listen up and watch the full disclaimer. I'm just some random dude on the internet. Some due diligence is suggested on your part to avoid potential disaster. Our lawyers want you to know Crypto Monks provides educational entertainment. The opinions of any hosts or guests are their own. We make a best effort to provide accurate information, but we cannot guarantee content to be error-free or wholly accurate. Seriously, be critical and do your own research. The opinions and perspectives presented here exist within a dynamic complex of actors and circumstances. Nothing herein is deemed or otherwise considered the final word on anything. Open your eyes fully. Arrive at your own conclusions only after thorough, independent investigation. No opinion, statement, conjecture, assertion, or other utterance by anyone appearing in any of these videos is intended, offered, proffered, or otherwise claimed to be financial advice. Investing is risky. You could lose everything. With every investment, it is important to assess one's personal tolerance and appetite for risk and one's understanding of the business and range of possible outcomes at hand. All investments are not for everyone. It is advisable to consult the appropriate legal, tax, investment, and financial advisors before making investment decisions. You agree to never buy or sell based on any statement, assertion, opinion, conjecture, or other utterance contained herein. Neither Crypto Monks or its affiliates, employees, agents, representatives, or anyone associated with the production development of any content is in any way responsible for any losses you may incur. With that out of the way, Crypto Monks is here to help provide a hand up where we can. So now let's get right into the course content.